Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. I'm in Chatham and this is the shop, and I'm pleased to say they've got rather a lot of king cole. Remember I did the baby glitz lacy scarf? But they've got quite a lot of the baby glitz. It's only $3.29. It's actually cheaper than the other place that I used to buy it. And I'm sorry if I'm muffled, but I'm wearing a mask. So this is the Big Value Chunky. Lovely colour, I really like that. And that is £2.39. It's very tempting. Very tempting to get that one. Colourway is Heather. Sorry, my arm doesn't bend that well. So yeah, it's got, let's see, 152 metres. It's not bad. I've got quite a lot of it, so enough to make something with. Got other colourways. Oh, it's so soft. And they've got, oh, this is the glitz that I made my my scarf with. But the other colours are a little bit, that's very, very lilac. It doesn't come out as lilac on the phone. And then we've got black. And although I'm tempted because it's really soft, I've got lots of Poundland black, exactly the same. Now this one's got like a greeny shine to it. And they've got it in yellow, which is very nice because I'm so tempted to get it, but I don't think I will. And then we get to the Premier yarn. And I really like Premier. It's just so soft. I've got some very big balls. This is a king cole super ball. Super values. $4.99, 250 gram balls. But they've got lots of colours. This is my basket so far. It's quite a big one. And it's full, so I'm going to have to put some back. But remember the blanket I made for Sophia out of the Yummy? This was a lot more expensive than that in the other shop. But they had the funny Yummy, which was the loopy one. And I've not seen that one here. But it's a really lovely soft chenille. And then they've got quite a lot of the big chunky ones. But there is one here that's caught my eye. Lots and lots of baby colours in the Premier. Only £1.50 a ball. I'm sorry if you can't hear me too well. It's the mask. But I really like this. It's king cole splash, a 3-weight. It's really nice colour. And this one's very similar to the yarn I made the baby bobble blanket. And I like it in this colourway. Lots of Yummy. Then, I'm not showing you bottom one at the moment, but lots of tinsel yarn. All the pretty colours. Got a brown tinsel yarn. But I do have rather a lot of tinsel yarn already. So there's the Christmas one. I have purple, look at that, isn't it beautiful? And then we've got these. These are nice, but these remind me of the yarn that I've been getting from Pound Stretcher. Big Value Super Chunky. The one that I made the chunky mile a minute. Very similar. And these ones, trying to fall off the shelf, are the Big Value Aran. And I made some gloves with this, some fingerless mittens. It's very nice. Nice to work with. And then we've got lots of more colours. There is just so much to choose from. But I have this blanket in mind that I want to make. I like that. That's the Big Value Aran in the grey with little flecks. I have this blanket in mind that I want to make, and it's textured. So first of all, I kind of looked at making it in a beige. I'm not really sure that they did the right thing putting sellotape around the ball because the yarn band came off. Might not have been the best idea. And this has caught my eye as well. I really like this. This is king cole Calypso. Again, a 3-weight. As I said to you in the past, in the UK, we have an abundance, a real abundance of DK. But I really like this one. Quite tempted, but I can only find one. Oh no, there's more. There's loads there. So I might get that one. But yeah, I plumped for a grey in the end because I wanted to make it in this colour. But they've only got 3, so it wouldn't be enough. So I decided against it. So grey is a a good alternative. This is the colour that I did the fingerless mittens in. My bag is trying to strangle me. So I did pick up some of this, but in the grey. Although these colours are pretty, I don't feel like I'd use them. And then we've got this little fleck one. What's it called? Smarty? Smarty. I've seen too much of that though, myself. So it's a nice big aisle in this shop. And as I said to you, it's the sort of shop that sells anything from birthday cards to bits and bobs, bags. There's aisles and aisles, photo frames, things and stuff. But yeah, lots of stuff. I couldn't film a little while ago because they were following a couple round and suspected them of maybe stealing. So yeah, I had to wait. I really like this. I think my blanket would look nice in this, but I don't know. Well, if it had plain as well, I could put some of this in for extra texture, but I'm not absolutely sure. So, what to do? I'm going to go through my bag, see what I've got, and see if I really need it all, because it's not this shade. Let me see if it's here. There is a grey in the deep recesses, that's the one. So it's slightly different. Grey from... It's nice and soft, this Calypso. And I'm wondering if I've got enough to make anything with. I can always come back. There is that. Can always come back. So, lots to choose from. And my yarn order arrived today. So, I really ought not to be piling it in the bag. This is a beautiful colour pink. Seriously lovely. And it's only £2.30 per skein. They've got some lovely colours. This Premier one, Premier Value, that's a lovely colour too. That is very cheap at £1.49. This one's slightly softer. But isn't it just too much to choose from? That's nice. Super chunky this end, which is weird because you've got super chunky one end, then it gets thinner, and then it gets thicker again. I think it must be men that shove all this yarn in, you know. They don't ever seem to have a rhyme or reason for it. But I'm very tempted to get this glitz because I do have some of this left and I wanted to make something. So, what to do? You'll find out, I guess, when I show you what I've bought. And I'm sorry if I'm muffled, it's the mask. I have no choice but to wear the mask. Doesn't that look bizarre? The way it kind of comes out the ball, out the skein. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming shopping with me. I didn't know I was going to do this. I just did a little impromptu. Thought, as I'm here, I might as well show you what's on the shelves. But I do have rather a lot of this stuff, all different colours. It's about time I started to use it, I think. This is really nice. I like this. The Big Value. It's so nice. But I need a project in mind before I start buying. These days I don't have the space. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care, and I'll see you when I get home. Bye for now.